Hi ladies and gentlemen, today we will have some quick review of this Philips air fryer product. This product is brand new, I bought it today. It's the best models. Of course I bought it a little bit discounted, but other than that, I bought it discounted because it was discounted, nothing wrong with it. So the Philips is called 7000. It's 7000 series air fryer combi XXL combined 987590. So what's so special about it? First I want to tell you that I had in 2017 I had the older model. The older model, they were very hard to clean or almost impossible. Let's call it that way. Once they get dirty, especially on the top, the fan. So here is the model. Here is how it looks like. Of course, you will see it in an Oreo. Airfryer combi, connected. I personally doesn't care much about connected feature. So basically, it have app which you can connect from your phone. So basically, what's so special about this thing? It have food thermometer connects with the app, 22 in one cooking functions, auto cook programs, rapid combi air. Of course, I mentioned the app. You can basically auto cook program provides guidance for the best result. Be guided all the way. Philips new auto cook program take the stress out of cooking when you're in the rush. You're seamlessly guided all the way for the best results. Select ingredients, define quantity, let air fryer combi do the rest. Of course, it's from China, which I don't like much, Chinese products, but this is where they assemble them. It's Philips, have LED screen. It consumes 2020 watts maximum, 10 kilograms without the packagings. Product features automatic shut-off, cool and cool interior, dishwasher, safe on-off switch, ready signal, temperature control, power on lights, quick clean. Quick clean is one of the features which I was after. LED display, time control, rapid combi air technology, keep warm, Wi-Fi connectivity, frying, roasting, grilling, baking, one-spot cooking, stir fry, saute, cook from frozen, reheating, defrosting, keep warm, dehydrating, toasting, searing, fermenting, confit, slow cooking, bracing, sauce, video, combi, baking, combi, roasting, combi, grilling, black. So basically, the most special, first we have the app connectivity, which I don't care. You have 22 cooking functions: cook, fry, grill, roast, bake, broil, etc, etc, etc. Intuitive display for easy use and very first interactions. Lead design intuitive display makes the air fryer look great. So basically, this unit costs around 400 euros. Save up to 70% energy by cooking 40% faster. Good for the planet and you. XXL capacity. So basically, this is one of the improvements which I was looking for over my previous generation. It have XXL capacity, so I can cook fish, for example, bigger fish, more food in less time. Batch cooking, making meals for 7 or 8 people is now easier and more convenient than ever. XXL capacity 2 kilograms. My previous one was around 2 kilograms and something, or biggest air fryer yet. Hot air cooking for healthy dishes with no need of oil. So basically, this is minus 99% less oil. Reassuring healthy, your dishes are cooked just how you like them with up to 99% added fat. You'll be able to savor all the delicious taste without the need of oil, as air fryer combi uses hot air to cook your favorite healthy dishes. So basically, other improvements which I was really looking for is this quick clean technology. This is why I sold my old unit. Basically, quick clean with full cleaning access. Basically, on top of it, as you can see, you have some grill which you can have some metal which you can brush with you can brush with some towel or something. We've improved it. Next level quick clean is just the cooking itself made easier. We just improved the cleanup with new design. The innovative design makes cleaning air fry combi interior easier than any other air fryer on the market. Now parts are dishwasher safe too. That's the other benefit. Basically, minus 99% less fat. How to cook programs provide guidance for the best result. And the other best function, rapid combi air technology, cooks food just how you like it. Basically, only top of the range have all of these functionalities, especially quick clean, rapid air combi technology. Basically, taste sensation. Imagine dishes always cook it just how you like, and host of new recipes and delve into sample and suffer with rapid combi air technology. That's really your air fryer combi Nutria, automatically adjust cooking time, temperature, air speed, just low airflow and jelly sauce vide stick, slow cook, stir breeze to high, low, and dynamic airflow cooking possibility ensure that your food's always deliciously tender on the inside and your preferred level of crispness on the. Basically, it can, as you can see in the picture, it can make slow, fast cook, whatever you like. Combi air. So here is the unit. Let me try somehow to open this thing. I will need to use my not favorite instrument, which is scissors. Here is my scissors. Basically, we'll cut this thing here. We'll cut this thing here as well. I think we are ready. Here we are. Let's see what we have inside. Probably some stupid packaging, which I will throw away somewhere. So we have live demo, live unboxing, why I choose this product. You can see it's brand new. Again, why I choose this product over the cheaper versions? Because the cheaper versions, they were missing all of these functionalities. And I really need them, especially quick clean, bigger space. What else? I mean, everything, absolutely everything. Basically, bigger space was my main concern. Combi air, quick clean. So basically, I think everything was really needed, because otherwise, why I should spend so much money for it? Here we have some how to use this thing. What's this? I have no idea. Here we need to download the app. How to install or how to clean. As you can see, this thing can be removed. Here you're not allowed to insert any oil. I don't think the top is removed. At least I don't see it here, but it will be much easier to clean compared to the previous unit, which was impossible to clean, especially the top. Here we have some other recycled carton box. Okay. Here we have what we have. Another. As you can see, unit is very, very big. I got no clue. Maybe I need to start from the bottom, so I will stop recording now and I will make you another video while it's installed. Let's continue with the review. There are some plastic covers to protect the display. I just removed it, and here's some plastic to protect this thing. Here we have some another carton box, which obviously doesn't need. Of course, I will wash before use, but I think it's It's much nicer upgrade compared to the previous generation, which I have from 2017. Everything looks better. I mean, for that amount of money, it should be. Also, another nice surprise is cable is in the back. As you can see, European cable. I'm in Europe. Here we have the touch screen. Here we can choose. This is not a touch screen, obviously. Some of this is touch screen. Here we can choose temperature. You can see. Here we can choose 2 fans. Here we can choose time, of course. Here we can choose, not sure. This is probably from the button as well. From the, yeah. I have no idea what this, I need to read it out. We can choose with 2 fans, with 1 fan. Basically, it's even better than, I think it's even better than how you call it, than old oven. Here we can choose different, what we will be cooking. For example, we can go to mushrooms. Is this, and here we have rapid combi air technology, and let me show you the last surprise. Basically, it will be hard to see, but inside we have again much more improved everything to clean the unit. Use my towels here. First, this thing is on some sort of rollers, much better than before. And after we, this thing is heavy. So here is the roller mechanism, as you can see, much better engineered. And when you want to remove it, remove this thing. Here is the button. Here we have some, and here you can insert your production or whatever you like. So basically, let me try to show you. Here is the thing which in the past you was missing this, some sort of mesh. It's much easier to clean. I really think it's very good engineering, this thing, especially this thing on a roller. In the past we were missing it, and again it has a lot of benefits, this unit. I will use it now, prepare a dish for me. I'm very happy with my purchase. Hopefully this thing will last at least 5 to 10 years. It's much easier to clean, much faster, everything is much better, especially the combi air technology. So if you like my videos, keep watching them, sharing, subscribing, and buy everything on a deal. Good price, good everything. Don't remember to clean, especially when it's a kitchen unit or something like that. And I was very happy from my previous unit. I also have the Airfryer, which is dirty, which is not very good condition. That's why I bought this unit, to cook myself some delicious meals. I will use it a lot. Thank you very much. And I'm giving this currently a rating 7 from 10, just because the price is very high. They're between 400 euros and 350. That's a lot of money. I remember my old unit was bought for 100 euros or something like that. Yeah, it was less model, but here we have just one fancy touch screen and that's it. I mean, nothing, and yeah, better technology, bigger unit, but the principle is the same. If you like my videos, keep watching and sharing, subscribing. Until next time.